In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a booking system for your business using an easy-to-navigate business or service template. This process will allow your clients to seamlessly schedule appointments online, saving you time and helping you manage your bookings efficiently. Throughout this video, we'll guide you step by step to ensure every detail is covered. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is choose the right template. For our purposes, you'll want to select a business or service template. These templates are specifically designed to cater to the needs of businesses like yours, providing the essential structure and design to facilitate online bookings. Take a moment to browse through the options available. Consider the layout and style that best represents your brand and conveys the professionalism your clients expect. Once you've made your choice, apply the template to your website. The next step is all about the booking form. This is where the magic happens and your clients will interact with your services. On the template, locate the section where you can add a booking form. This feature is crucial as it allows clients to see your availability and make appointments directly from your site. Click to add the booking form and enter the necessary fields so that it includes the information you need from your clients. Common fields may include the client's name, contact information, preferred date and time, and any specific requirements they might have. Remember, the goal here is to make it as convenient as possible for your clients, which will in turn maximize your booking potential. Once your booking form is in place, it's time to list the services you offer. This is a key step where you'll need to provide clear and concise descriptions of the services available for booking. Make sure to include necessary details like service names, descriptions, durations, and prices. By doing so, you're not only informing your clients, but also managing their expectations, which is critical for building trust and a strong client relationship. You might also want to include any special instructions or preparations that clients should be aware of before attending their appointments. After you have everything set up, it's time for the grand finale, publishing your work. This step makes your booking system live and accessible to your clients. Take a moment to review everything thoroughly before publishing. Double check your form for accuracy, review your service listings for clarity and completeness, and ensure that your overall presentation aligns with your business's branding. Once you're satisfied, hit that publish button. Congratulations, your clients can now book appointments with just a few clicks. So there you have it, a fully functional online booking system that enhances your business's capabilities and provides convenience to your clients.